Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you an interesting grid method. With this grid method you can draw many unique logo by your own, so no more waited, let's get started. First, take the rectangle tool, and draw a rectangle size 160 points by 10 points. After that, make 7 copy of that by dragging and press Alt from the keyboard, and press Ctrl and D. Take the Add Anchor Point tool, and add some points into the middle. Do it with all the lines. Now take the Direct Selection tool, select all the lines in the middle, and move it to the down. Take the Line Segment tool, and draw 2 lines from here. Select this 2 line, and copy it to the down section. Do it 7 times more. That's perfect, our grid is ready to be used. Now make a copy and place it to the right side, so that we can use that again. Select all the grid, take the Shape Builder tool, swap the color from stroke to fill, and start drawing like me. That's great. Now select the letter logo, go to the Edit, Cut, then delete all the line from the artboard, and again go to Edit and paste it to the front. That's perfect. Now let's scale it down, and place it to the side. Take another copy of the grid, and let's try some more logo. Again, take the Shape Builder tool, swap the color from stroke to fill, and start drawing just like me. With this grid method, you can create many unique logo. I will suggest you to do many experiment with the grid. Do the same here also what we did before. That's perfect. This is how we can create many variation of letter logo. Now let's make another version. Again, take the Shape Builder tool, color from stroke to fill and start unite the line carefully. That's awesome. Now select the logo, go to Edit, Cut, and then delete the grid line, and then go to Edit again, and paste it to the front. Now let's delete the main grid line, and apply some typography on it. Press T to Active Text tool, and write the logo name Aroma. We use Poppins font in this project. So this is the end of this tutorial. If you like this video, don't forget to leave a like. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day and smile all the time.